In this video, I will show you how to reinvest dividends on Trading 212. So first of all, open up your app and then navigate to the Portfolio tab at the bottom left next to the Home tab. And then you need to go to your assets and then you need to select the asset where you want to reinvest dividends for. So let's say you want to reinvest dividends on a self-created pie. Then you need to click on that pie. And once you do that, you need to scroll down all the way. And when you scroll down, you will see this option dividends in here. When you click on dividends, you see an option saying auto invest. And once you have auto reinvest on, you can see that your dividends will automatically be reinvested into this pie. And then in this tab, you can also see the amount that is gained and the amount that is reinvested and the amount that is in cash at the moment. And if you want to do this for a different asset, then you just need to select that asset and then scroll down and then see if it's possible for that asset. Because not every ETF or asset is allowing you to reinvest dividends. But that is how we can do it. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I will see you in the next one.